Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Cody Kidd. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. Let's go outside so I can show you one of our newest arrivals. Here we have the 2013 Toyota Venza LE. It has a clean Carfax. It comes equipped with heated power side mirrors, integrated turn signals, chrome window trim, and privacy glass. Whether you call it a wagon or a crossover, it's a competitive and comfortable family vehicle. This Venza has 19-inch 10-spoke alloy wheels with all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire and tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Venza is in great condition. It has projector beam headlamps with auto off and on, along with fog lights and a very nice silver grille with iconic Toyota emblem to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 4-cylinder 2.7-liter engine with automatic transmission. This Venza has all-wheel drive and is estimated the driver received 22 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Venza only has 96,234 miles on it. At the back of the Venza, you can see the antenna, the color-keyed rear spoiler, and rear wiper, along with chrome-tipped exhaust, large brake lights, and sleek badging. Looking into the cargo area, you can see it's very spacious. You can even lower the seat backs right from the cargo area for more space as needed. This cargo area also features a power outlet, cargo cover, cargo lights for packing and unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice the Venza has been very well taken care of. Passengers can utilize the fold-down armrest with cup holders, as well as seat back storage. There's also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice chrome interior accents. Drivers and passengers alike will feel very comfortable in the adjustable fabric seating. You have a large sliding console with storage, illuminated cup holders, and another power outlet. This Venza is also equipped with door bins, a garage door opener, and dash storage. Here is the easy reach controls for the power side mirrors, shifter activated power door locks, and the power windows with auto up and down and jam protection. This Venza has a very comfortable tilting and telescoping steering wheel with on-wheel controls for cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It also is equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. The center stack is home for your entertainment and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with CD player. It's MP3 and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using USB or auxiliary ports. This advanced system even includes voice command. You have a dual zone, automatic climate controls, and everything you see here is very easy to use. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at our website, sparkstoyota.com.